Test preparation. Unlocking the secrets for success. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of language learning and academic success: test preparation. Understanding what it is and how to approach it effectively can make a significant difference in your learning journey. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to excel in any test. Test preparation, often shortened as test prep, refers to the process of preparing for an examination. This can include various activities like reviewing content, learning test-taking strategies, and practicing with sample questions. It's all about equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills to perform well in a test scenario. Test preparation can be for any kind of test, from language proficiency exams like TOEFL or IELTS to academic tests in school or university. Effective test preparation is crucial because it not only helps you understand the material but also boosts your confidence. Knowing what to expect and how to approach different types of questions can greatly reduce test anxiety. It's not just about cramming information but about developing a comprehensive understanding and strategy to tackle the test. 1. Understanding the test format. Know what types of questions will be asked, the duration of the test, and the scoring system. 2. Content review. Go through the material that will be covered in the test. This could be vocabulary, grammar rules, reading comprehension, etc., for language tests. 3. Practice tests. Take mock tests to simulate the actual test environment. This helps in time management and understanding your strengths and weaknesses. 4. Strategy development. Learn techniques like skimming, scanning, process of elimination in multiple-choice questions, and time management skills. 5. Health and well-being. Remember, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Ensure good sleep, balanced nutrition, and stress management during your preparation. Last-minute studying. Cramming the night before rarely works. It's better to prepare gradually over time, ignoring weak areas. Focus on your weak spots as much as your strong ones. Neglecting practice tests. Practice tests are crucial in understanding the actual exam environment. Overstressing. Too much stress can hamper your performance. Keep a calm and positive mindset. 1. Regular practice. Consistency is key in language learning. Practice a little every day. 2. Immerse yourself in the language. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, or read books in the language you are learning. 3. Speak and write. Practice speaking and writing regularly, as these skills are often tested. 4. Seek feedback. Get your work checked by teachers or native speakers to correct mistakes and improve. Remember, effective test preparation is your gateway to achieving your language learning goals. It's about smart studying, not just hard studying. I hope these insights help you feel more prepared and confident for your next test. Good luck, and happy learning!